How to install NBA 2K24 on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, if you are your Android user, simply open Play Stores on your device, sign into the particular account, tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, type in NBA space 2K24, and then you need to search for this particular game. So if the game is officially available on the search results, simply you need to open that particular game and tap the install button. And then within a few seconds or minutes, the game will be downloaded and automatically installed on your device. After installation, you can open the game from the Play Store or from your device app drawer and start playing the game. But if your NBA 2K24 is not available in your region or on the Play Store, you can download the APK file from trusted third party sources like APK Pure or APK Mirror. And before doing that, make sure to enable the unknown sources on your phone security settings. So you need to make sure that your device meets the game minimum requirements in terms of storage, RAM, and operating system version. The game might also require an active internet connection for installation and gameplay. That is how we do it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.